Hiya Duck. So, right, we are doing an edge nail. If you're bored of the edge nails, I'm sorry. We're doing an edge nail. It's so beautiful. Yes, it takes time, but I want you to learn. It is acrylic. We've got that thin layer down, but now we're going to mix things up a little bit. We're going to do some acrygel. We're going to do a blend of acrygel. And we're going to throw in a bit of glitter. So, first colour we're going to use is pink marshmallow. So when you're doing super long nails, you can use an acrylic base. That is absolutely fine. I like to do that. It gives it even more strength. It's kind of like, that's my comfort blanket. Right, so first I'm going in with the brendek brush with a little bit of clean-up solution on the brush, just to help me move it around, stop the brush from sticking. If the brush starts to stick, that's when you need to clean your brush and rehydrate with the clean-up solution. So I'm just getting that cuticle area nice. See, I'm not worrying about this. Cuticle area, nice, beautiful. And then I'm gonna take the product and come down. So your apex will be built with this product and this colour. So that's where you need your thickness. And you know, when you do this with acrylic, you wouldn't work this way. You would work from here back. But because this is aquagel, it doesn't matter if you work from the cuticle down or if you work from the tip down, because this product is not going to set until you tell it to. Well, basically until you put it in the lamp.
I was going to say, you can't just say, right.
Enough.
Set.
Yeah. So so I've got the bases of it down, but I want to just pat and press this into an edge. So we need the spine. So I'm using the Mr. Buttons brush to do this now. So the brush has some clean-up solution on.
How come you switch brushes then?
Because I want it softer. This is a softer brush.
Is it on a lot more dense then?
So this is more dense. So this one's good for picking up and more pressure. So we can press firmer with the brendek brush. Then I'm going to use Marshmallow white. Let's turn the key of the easy squeezy, and you can see that that little bit of pressure is going to pump out some product for you. Right, so I'm going to cover the tip with this colour. Now we're going to smooth with the Mr. Buttons brush, but we're going to keep that spine.
Which do you prefer to do an ombre with then, acrygel or acrylic?
Acrylic.
Find it easier.
Because I'm an acrylic person.
Acrylic queen.
I learnt with acrylic all those years ago, and so it's just second nature to me. Don't get me wrong, this is easy. This is really easy to do. So you see how we've got a dip here?
Yeah.
We need that dip because we're going to put glitter in. Right, so we're going to add some of the glitters that we've chosen. And they're just going to stick onto that sticky layer.
What a perfect combo that is.
It's so nice. Right, so we're going to encapsulate with clear as day.
I'll just cure it like that.
Yeah, cure it like that. Yeah.
Put a bit of bling on, be right.
Fill in the gaps.
I would die.
So all I'm doing is, this is just spreading. I'm just moving product around. I'm not worrying about smoothing at the minute. We'll do that with the other brush, just because I find it easier. So we can taper that out. I just want to make sure the gel is all in. The gel? It's not gel. Wow, is it though? I want to make sure the acrygel is in all the right places. Feeling so good. No?
You right there?
Don't you get that? Don't you know that song?
No.
You're too young. Right, so let's get the spine back. This clear is as clear as my conscience.
I wondered where you were going with that then. The crystals have got a bit of a red hue to them, you know. I'm not complaining, I'm just stating a fact. I saw that look.
Sounded like a complaint
No,
to
dear,
me,
it was
Karen.
just rude. That's it. This customer service is not the one, thank you.
That's why I don't work on customer service.
It's a good job.
It's a good job I don't work on customer service.
You'd be sacked for the abuse.
I would. Right, this is a big nail. Let's get this cleaned
Kitchen
over.
roll.
It's that big, I'm going for the kitchen roll. Let's get rid of the sticky layer. Right, get these side walls filed. We're going to file the living out of this nail. Support the nail. You can see that I'm holding the actual nail because this is so goddamn long.
Can you see the droopy pinky?
The droopy pinky is just having a little snooze.
Sad enough.
And when I'm filing this shape, I'm actually filing both at the same time.
You're flat on, aren't you?
Yeah. So I'm filing this side and that side all at the same time. Right, we're going to do some bling around the cuticle and then we're going to do some scattered bling. And if you don't know what scattered means, follow the video. I'll show you what I mean. Because you normally do your own nails, it must be quite difficult when somebody else is doing your nails and you might see things and think, oh, I would have put that there, or oh, I would have done that. So it's quite hard for you to like let go and just let me do it, because that's what I would find really hard about somebody else doing my nails.
The thing is, because when I do mine, I constantly look at them to make sure they look okay, and then not looking is sort of, you don't know what's going on. So that's why I keep sitting watching the camera thinking, like, not because I'm judging, but because I'm just so intrigued by how another person does it.
Yeah. Right, so we're going to do one here, here, going sort of either side of the spine. So this is our first lot of scattered crystals. Put that in. No, don't like that one.
Oh. I can't like do that, just flinging them off when they don't look right.
Yeah.
Has to go.
in. Keep these on, we're going to go over them, but what we need to do is let it sort of push away from it. So when we do these ones here, we're going to kiss the stones with the top coat. So this is a glossy top coat, but when they're scattered, it's better to go over just to give them protection. Don't get me wrong, if you were doing like a photo shoot or something like that and you just wanted it to be pure bling, you would just put them on top of the top coat, but we want these to last because I do not want you to ring me going, I've lost a gem.
Mad. I've nearly lost a nail last time.
Yeah, well, you didn't know. I love them. Beautiful. Thank you for joining us on this journey doing these gorgeous edge nails. Georgia is so lucky to be walking out of here with them.
Of course.
And I am very jealous.
You could have these.
If I...
But they can't be as fabulous as mine. Sorry, but you can't.
I could have them if I had the time. I just don't have the time. And hate doing my nails. Everything I've used today will be listed below. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram and all that shebang. And I will see you guys in the next video.